Today we're taking a look at the Prop and Scenery Lights Ember Orange Flame Effects Kit. The kit is used for building props. It's a plug-and-play kit that operates on batteries or a 12-volt DC power source. It's used for building different embers, burning embers, torches, fake fireplaces, different types of props used in theatrical, escape rooms, and other themed entertainment applications. It's also used in filmmaking. The kits are available with a standard 10-inch cable socket, or they're available in a long 5-foot cable socket. We're going to show you today a couple props that we built with these kits using casting resin. The bulbs are somewhat unique in that they can be directly embedded in casting resins for building your props. This burning ember prop is made using clear urethane resin with a bit of an orange dye. It's cast in a silicone mold, and the Ember Orange bulbs and cable sockets are placed in the mold when the resin is poured, so it's directly embedded in the resin. We're using 3 bulbs, and we have 3 controllers, and we're using a power splitter, and we're running it off a 12-volt DC power source. When you run 3 different bulbs with 3 different controllers, you can get a little bit more of a movement or a dynamic effect to the burning appearance of it. You can basically use multiple lights for added dynamic effect or bigger props. In this torch prop, we're using the 5-foot cable socket version because this is a very long body on this torch. It's made out of PVC pipe wrapped in rope. We have the bulb directly embedded in the polyester resin with an orange dye. It gives a transparent orange appearance in the off state. And there's no worry about the bulb being embedded in the resin. The bulb's made with a silicone rubber jacket on it, so there's a kind of a barrier between the resin heat and the resin. If it shrinks, it won't hurt the circuit board and the LEDs. It can be also made with the included battery pack that comes in the kit. It runs on 8 AA cell batteries. For this torch prop right now, we're running it on a 12-volt DC power supply. The Ember Orange Flame Effects Kit uses a simple controller. It has 6 different flicker modes and 10 different speeds. This controller can go to a very slow burning ember look, and it goes faster for if you want a more dynamic flame look. All these controllers and lights have a DC barrel connector on them, so you can easily interface with standard power splitters. You can add an inline switch. You can run it off a 12-volt DC power source, or for portable applications like this 8 AA battery pack that comes in the kits, you can run it off this if it's like a stage handheld prop torch or some other type of handheld lantern. These kits are well suited for applications like our burning embers, our torches, or fake fireplaces. These kits are available on Amazon. We have the standard 10-inch kit, and we have the kit that has the 5-foot long cable socket. Thank you for watching today, and we hope you enjoy your prop building.